Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from beginner to expert with the most powerful tool on the internet right now, that is ChatGPT. Hi, my name is Vikas Parekh and I welcome you to the W3 Era YouTube channel. As an AI language model, ChatGPT does not have a traditional history like a person or organization. However, here is some information on the development of the ChatGPT. The full form is Generative Pre-trained Transformer Model that ChatGPT is based on. The GPT model was developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, and Leah Setzkever. The goal of OpenAI is to create safe and beneficial artificial intelligence that can improve human lives. The ChatGPT model is based on the transformer architecture, a type of neural network that was introduced in 2017 by Vaswani et al. In the paper, Attention is all you need. Transformers are based to handle sequential data such as natural language text by allowing the model to attend to different parts of the input sequence to generate output. The first version of ChatGPT's GPT-1 was released in June 2018. It had 117 million parameters and was pre-trained on a large corpus of text data using a technique called unsupervised learning. GPT-1 was able to generate coherent text, but it still had some limitations, such as a lack of coherence in long-form text. So after that, ChatGPT-2 came up. The second version of GPT model was released in February 2019. It had 1.5 billion parameters, which was a significant increase from ChatGPT-1 and was pre-trained on a much larger corpus of text data. ChatGPT-2 was able to generate even more coherent and human-like text, but it was so good at generating fake news and propaganda that OpenAI decided not to release the full version to the public, citing concerns about the potential misuses. And after that, the third version, the GPT-3 came up. Most recent version of GPT model was released in 2020. It has 175 billion parameters, which is more than 10 times the size of GPT-2, and was pre-trained on an even larger corpus of text data. GPT-3 has shown remarkable abilities in a wide range of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text compilation. It has also been used to develop language models like ChatGPT, which can converse with users in a natural and human-like manner. And in today's video, we will going to learn about ChatGPT 4, which is the most recent version of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is currently one of the most used AI chatbots in the market. Its ability to generate content, code, have conversations, solve complex queries, and more has made it widespread phenomenon. ChatGPT is a free basic version chatbot. Well, it also contains a premium version as well, like ChatGPT Plus, that costs you around $20 per month. However, to access these AI chatbots, you need to create an OpenAI account on its official site using your email and sign up. And surprisingly, it is accessible in many developed nations except for a few countries such as Russia, China, Iraq, Egypt, and Ukraine. You can check the supported countries and territories listed by OpenAI to see if you can access it or not. Link is given in the description for your use for quick access. ChatGPT doesn't yet support all countries. If you currently have a phone number from a different country that is not yet supported, you will not be able to create an account. Using virtual phone numbers, that is VoIP, to circumvent phone verification. If you are in a country where ChatGPT is not supported, it will not work. ChatGPT is able to recognize VoIP. So here, I will let you know the steps how to create a free ChatGPT account on OpenAI. You need to visit the home page of ChatGPT. For that, you can use the link below provided in the description. Using this link, that is chat.openai.com, /auth/login in a browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Opera. So click on the sign up option to generate your free ChatGPT account. And if you witness ChatGPT is at capacity right now, that it means like too many people are using ChatGPT right now. So just wait for some time and log in and try to create an account again. After clicking on ChatGPT sign up, you need to add your email address. Like I'll just put in my Gmail ID, or you can use sign up by using by Google or with Microsoft. Now click on continue. Now please generate a strong password including capital letter, small letter words and then numbers and special character. Then click on continue. Now you need to complete the verification process by tapping on the link sent to your email. If you didn't receive any email, click on resend an email. Okay, verify. Now add your first name and the last name, tap on continue. You need to complete a phone verification process for security reasons. So enter your phone and click. Here it is asking, do you have WhatsApp? Yes or no. If you want to receive a code on WhatsApp, you click on yes. If you want to receive a code on text, click on no. I will just click on yes. I want to receive a code on my WhatsApp. Alright, click on yes. So here enter the 4-digit code and complete the verification. So once you verify your details and put in your phone number, you will get this screen. Alright, these are the steps before you get into the ChatGPT dashboard. So this is a free research. It is just explaining you what is this all about. Our goal is to extend external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. Click on next. So how we collect data. It is ChatGPT is just making you inform how ChatGPT collect data. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. Please do not share any sensitive information in your conversation. Like the information which you don't want anybody to know, don't put in here. So of course with the help of your feedback, your ChatGPT will understand what kind of content you want from ChatGPT. So this is the dashboard you will be getting once you logged in. So few points I want you to remember about ChatGPT. Currently there is no official developed app by OpenAI for ChatGPT on Android or iOS devices. OpenAI has not introduced any official app for ChatGPT in the App Store. So to access ChatGPT, users need to visit the OpenAI site only, browser. You need to provide your phone number. Okay, the main part is you need to provide your phone number and complete the verification process of ChatGPT for security reasons. So ChatGPT asks for a phone number to verify your account and ensure your platform remains safe. Next, you will learn how to upgrade your account in ChatGPT. Log into your account. If you don't have an account, then you can create a free account one with the method above. Then click on here at the left hand side down corner. Click on upgrade to plus. Once you click on that, you will have this option. As you already are in free plan, here are some options which are not available for the free plan. So if you wish to upgrade, as I already mentioned, ChatGPT Plus, it will cost you $20 per month. So what happens if you click on upgrade plan? Why you have to go for the upgradations? Because in that you will be having some extra facilities in there, like available whenever demand is high. You will not get stuck if you use this ChatGPT Plus. Faster response speed, priority access to the new features. When you click on upgrade plan, you will get to the new page where you will be asking the banking details or the card details, whatever you wish to use to create the account. When you click on there, when you put in all the information, click on subscription. There's subscribe button at the end, and you will be able to have your ChatGPT Plus. Now let's learn about keyword research on ChatGPT. ChatGPT for keyword research does not replace any traditional research tools, and just like keyword research tools, you shouldn't blindly rely on them alone to do your keyword research. So instead, I will show you in this post how ChatGPT can be one of the best keyword research tools you should add to your SEO toolbox. Save countless of hours going down competitor websites, keyword rabbit holes, or topic analysis. I will use my most effective prompts for conducting keywords research. So let's jump into that. What you care about the most, the prompts. The beauty of the following ChatGPT keywords research prompts is that they can be used on any niche niche, even a topic to which you are brand new. However, for this demonstration, let's use the topic SEO to demonstrate these prompts, which we will be using in ChatGPT. So, what are the 10 most powerful subtopics related to SEO? You can see on your screen. In this section, you can click on New Chat. So you can put in your question out here and click on enter. You simply ask. So here I ask, what are the 10 most powerful subtopics related to SEO? So it gave me a suggestion like keyword research, on-page optimization. Even it explained it, right? And it also explained me like off-page optimization, technical optimization, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, content marketing. Then it is explaining analytics, reportings, and link building and social media optimization. Even if you wish to read about them, ChatGPT did a very good job. It explained every topic to you, so you can read it and you can understand what is this all about, right? So if you say it's like SEO is only about on page and off page, so no, there are a few other things, there are a few other metrics as well you have to understand and you can learn from it. So the first prompt it is to give you an idea of the niche. As shown above, ChatGPT did a very good job understanding and breaking down SEO into three major pillars, that is on page, off page, and technical. So the key to the following prompt is to take one of the topics ChatGPT has given and query the subtopics now. So I have written here, what are the 5 most popular subtopics related to keyword research? Click on enter now. You will get an answer, beautiful answer. For this example, let's query, what are the most powerful subtopics related to the keywords? So having done keyword research for 15 years now, I would expect it to output information related to keywords research metric, the keywords of the types of keywords and intent. So let's see. Here it is. Keyword analytics, long tail keywords, keyword tools, competitive keywords analytics, competitive keywords analysis, keyword mapping. Now, to get the keywords, but to reiterate, this guide on ChatGPT keyword research is not to get you to replace traditional keyword tools. It is to show how you can leverage ChatGPT to give you an ideas to plug into those tools to verify. So to get the keywords you want without having keywords ChatGPT describe answer, use the prompt list without description. Here is an example of that. List without description the top 4 most popular keywords for the topic of keyword intent. Now press enter. You can even branch these keywords out further into the long tail. Example, list without description the top 5 most popular long tail keywords for the topic keyword intent type. Press enter. Here are the top 5 most popular long tail keywords for the topic keywords intent type. What are transactional keywords? Example of commercial investigations keywords, how to target informational keywords, navigational keywords versus informational keywords, and why keyword intent matters in SEO. List without description the top semantically related keywords and entities for the topic types of keywords intent in SEO. Press enter. Here are the top semantically related keywords: search intent, keyword research tools, long tail keywords, SERP features, Google Keyword Planner, organic research, content optimization, user experience, conversion rate optimization, search engine result pages. So who needs those expensive content optimization tools? You can even ask ChatGPT what any topics semantically related keywords and entities are. The onion method of prompting ChatGPT. When you are happy with a series of prompts, add them all to one prompt. For example, so far in this article, we have asked ChatGPT the following. We have asked ChatGPT, what are the 4 most popular subtopics related to SEO? What are the most popular subtopics related to keyword research? List without description the top 4 most popular keywords for keyword intent. List without description the top 5 most popular long tail keywords for the topic keyword intent types. List without description the top semantically related keywords and entities for the topics. Types of keywords intent in SEO. Take all 5 and combine them into one prompt by telling ChatGPT to perform a series of steps. Here is an example. Perform the following steps in a consecutive order: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. I'll just put in the example like this. Perform the following steps in a consecutive order: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. In step 1, like I had mentioned the previous one which we had discussed, generate an answer for the three most popular subtopics related to topic, okay, whatever topic you wish to put in. Step 2, generate three most popular subtopics related to each answer, and take those answers and list them without description, their top three most popular keywords. Then in step 4, for the answers given of the most popular keywords, provide three long tail keywords. Step 5, for each long tail keywords offered in the response, a list of without description three of their top semantically related keywords and entities. Now press enter. So here is the answer. See how beautiful it is. Here you have received everything step by step. Okay, generating keywords ideas using ChatGPT based on alphabet soup method is one of my favorite methods manually. Like, without even using a keyword research tool, is to generate keyword research ideas like using the Google autocomplete going from A to Z. For example, you can write down SEO A. Here you can see autocomplete suggestions from the Google. Now you can also do this using ChatGPT. Example prompt like, give me popular keywords that include the keyword SEO and the text letter of the word starts with A. Now you can click on enter or click here. So here are some popular keywords that include the keyword SEO and the next letter of words start with A. So you can read the options out here provided by ChatGPT, that is SEO audit, SEO algorithm, SEO analytics, SEO agency, SEO articles, SEO authority, SEO automation, SEO analysis, SEO advertising, SEO architecture. Now, using the onion prompting method above, we can combine all this in one prompt as we did before. You can write it down like me. Give me 5 popular keywords that include SEO in the word and the following letter starts with A. Once the answer has been done, move on to giving 5 more popular keywords that include SEO for each letter of the alphabet B to Z. Press enter. Here you can see the unexpected answer from ChatGPT. Here you can see all the answers are coming from A to Z, comes to W, like your local SEO, landing page SEO. For M is mobile SEO, metadata SEO, meta description SEO, niche SEO, keyword research for SEO, keyword stuffing SEO, keyword ranking SEO, Joomla SEO, that is jargon free SEO content. Okay, for letter I is image SEO, internal linking SEO, infographic SEO, international SEO. For H, just read down some of it, is headline SEO, high quality SEO content, HTML SEO. For G is Google SEO, Google Analytics SEO, Google My Business SEO. For F is forum SEO, freshness SEO, fast loading SEO. For E, for D, for B. Okay, so you have got all the answers with the help of ChatGPT.